Do you want to transform your body, boost your energy, and feel stronger, all without stepping into a gym or using any equipment? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through 7 simple yet powerful exercises that you can do anywhere. Follow this routine consistently, and in just 4 weeks, you'll see noticeable results. Let's get started. Exercise 1, squats. One of the best movements for strengthening your lower body and improving overall balance. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, keeping your chest upright and your knees aligned with your toes. Push back up to the starting position. Start with 15 to 20 squats. Want a challenge? Try holding the squat at the bottom for a few seconds before standing up. Squats engage your glutes, quads, and core, making them a perfect start to your workout. Exercise 2, push-up. This classic exercise targets your chest, arms, shoulders, and even your core. Here's how to do it. Place your hands on the floor, slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest to the ground, then push back up. If a full push-up is challenging, drop to your knees for a modified version. Aim for 10 to 15 push-up to start, and increase the count as you get stronger. Exercise 3, planks. Planks are a total core workout and a test of endurance. To do a plank, place your elbows on the ground directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds, and try to add more time each week. Planks not only work your abs but also strengthen your shoulders, back, and legs. They're simple but oh so effective. Exercise 4, lunges. Lunges are fantastic for toning and building strength in your legs and glutes. To perform a lunge, step forward with one leg, lowering your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Repeat 10 reps on each leg. Exercise 5, mountain climbers. Ready to get your heart pumping? Mountain climbers combine cardio and core work. Here's how to do them. Start in a plank position. Quickly alternate bringing your knees toward your chest. Keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout. Do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Mountain climbers are excellent for burning calories and improving endurance. Exercise 6, bicycle crunches. To tone your abs, try bicycle crunches. Follow these steps. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your legs and bring your left elbow toward your right knee. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Do 15 to 20 reps, focus on controlled movements to really feel your core muscles working. Exercise 7, jumping jacks. Finish strong with jumping jacks. This full body cardio exercise is great for warming up or cooling down. Simply jump while spreading your legs and bringing your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. Jumping jacks boost your heart rate, burn calories, and leave you feeling energized. That's it, 7 no equipment exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. Remember, consistency is key. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week, stay hydrated, and track your progress. Ready to make a change? Start today.